Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to make a sympathy card. I usually like to make cards with loads of layers on it, but this particular card is a single layer card. In other words, the only thing you do is work on the base card. So it takes only a few minutes to make and is very easy. I cut myself a template with my punch. I've used an old Christmas card. I punched a hole in it, and I'm going to put it down on my card where I want it. And you can either use tape or hold it. And I'm going to hold it in place. I'm using Stampin' Up! Smokey Slate with my blender. If you want to know what the tag is on my blender brush, it tells me that I'm always using gray on this brush. You can use, you don't have to have them designated for a particular color, but this particular one I do. And when you look at the moon, you will see bases in it, and it's never always the same coloration. In other words, it isn't solid. It has light areas and dark areas. And hopefully that's what my moon will be like. Hit it there for a second. Let me see if I can get it back in place. Okay, that's probably dark enough. And there's my moon on the edge of my card. The next thing I'm going to do is stamp a silhouette on it. And I'm not sure where I got this particular stamp, but I'm using Tuxedo black ink, and that's by Momento. And we're going to have this flower with the moon behind it. I'll put it on here 2 or 3 different times at different heights, so it looks like a bunch of flowers. These kind of resemble Queen Anne's lace. And I'll put just a little bit. I started to put some gray, but I think I'm going to go ahead with the black. Finish it up with the black. Yeah. All right. Next, I've got my stamp on the other side all ready to go. It's by my Daily Bread Stamps, but they have changed the name now to Divinity Stamps. And I'm going to use my black again and stamp this up in the corner. And here's my sympathy card. I think that looks nice. I hope you enjoyed this card and watching me make it. If you did like this tutorial, please come back and see me and see what else I have in store for you for next time. And don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you have a great crafting day. Bye.